Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the creating SVG elements in JavaScript, right? So today we'll be discussing about the advanced browser API integrations. So advanced browser APIs like intersection observer enable modern web applications to handle complex tasks such as video conferencing, real-time collaboration, and efficient DOM management without expensive computations. Let's see the DOM management, efficient DOM management, and you can try with the examples such as video conferencing and real-time collaboration. You can just try on your own. I'll just be showing the efficient DOM management, right? So let's see how to make use of the intersection observer API, right? So initially I'll just come here. Let me create index.html, nothing but the HTML file. Just give me a second here. And let me create one more file, JavaScript file, right? So I'll just quickly come here. Let me link the JavaScript file, right? I'll just give you a src. It's links. Let's link the index.js, nothing but the JavaScript file. Within the HTML, I'll quickly give only 3 lines of code. I'll just give here a div class. Let me give the name spacer. So I'll not give anything within this div. I just want to give the class name spacer, right? I'll consider one more div. Within this one, I'll just give here observe me. So I'll just in my case this is relevant, so I'll just give here I am being observed, something like that. You can give anything. In my case, for this example, this is relevant, so I'll just give I am being as observed, right? So I'll just take one more div. Within this div again, I'll just give class name spacer again. So I'll not be giving anything within this div, right? So now let's quickly come to the JavaScript part. So let me make use of document dot add event listener of let's make use of DOM content loaded, right? So let's pass the function quickly. So within this one, I'll just make use of the variable name observer. Let's make use of the intersection observer, right? Let me pass entries here. So let's make use of entries I have considered right here. So I'll just make it here entries. No, sorry. Yeah, entries. Let me make use of for each here quickly. We need individual entry. So let me consider entry. Within this one, I'll quickly make use of the if condition. If entry I have considered, right? If entry and dot is intersecting, then let's log something. So if element is intersecting, then I'll just give here element is in the view, and let's pass the target entry, right? So I'll just give here entry dot target. So this is it. Next, I'll just come out of this here. Let me consider the variable name target. So let me make use of this thing observe me. Here I have made use of the ID, right? Either I can go with document.getElement by ID, or let me make use of the query selector. I have made use of the query selector, so I'll just go with hash. As this is ID, I'll just give here observe me. Let me copy paste. Let me type. This is fine. If of target, then let's make use of the observer dot observe of target. Else what we will do, hmm, let's console log something. So I'll just make use of the console log element, this one, observe me, basically not found in the DOM. Right. So we are getting the query selector, and so I'll quickly explain what I have done here initially. So we are making use of the observe me as the target element for the intersection observer, right? This one, we are making use of the observe me as the target element for the intersection observer. So this one this one spacer, right? This basically this is included because to create the scrollable content, we need this one, right? So I think we have made use of the this one spacer for that cause itself. Basically, this allows the content to enter and exit the viewport as we scroll, right? So let's see. Let's check. I'll just give here. Let me come here. Let me click on open with live server. So you can clearly see I am being observed. In the browser console, we need to get the output as well, right? So yeah, you can clearly see here we are getting the output. Element is in the view, and div id of observe me that we have considered in the HTML. I am being observed. This is showing. So this is absolutely correct. This works absolutely correct, right? So I hope the concept of this one. I hope the concept of advanced browser API, such as intersection observer API, is completely clear, right? So the next we will be discussing about the JavaScript polyfills and shims, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.